What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the transmission fluid level on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. The first thing you want to do is you want to drive the vehicle around, make sure the engine is up to operating temperature, and then you come back and then you're going to want to go through the gears. So you're going to shift from park to neutral to reverse to drive, then back to park. Make sure you're on a level surface. Then under the hood, with the engine running, the dipstick is located right here, more on the driver's side next to the battery. This happens to be the 4-cylinder version. And what we're gonna do, there's a little lock right here. With the engine running, pull the dipstick out. Make sure you have a rag to wipe the dipstick first. Reinsert the dipstick. Sit for a second and pull it back out. You can check the level. And where you want the level while it's hot to be right there, in between those two little dots. If it's down here while the engine's hot, then you're going to want to add a little bit of fluid, and check your owner's manual for the appropriate fluid. Sometimes on the actual dipstick it will tell you what kind of fluid, and this one doesn't, but yeah, it says hot right there and cool right there. So, but it's recommended to check it while the vehicle is hot. And you can reinsert the dipstick and make sure the lock is locking the dipstick and you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.